In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can use a dropdown to control the formatting of a summary table in Excel. So here we have a summary table of revenue and target revenue by salesperson, and we want to be able to toggle through three different formatting options: numeric, gray highlight, and thick border, for example. To do this, we can use a conditional formatting approach. So first, highlight the range of cells that you want to apply the formatting to. Again, go to the Home tab, and under the cells grouping, you're going to see an option for conditional formatting. Click on conditional formatting, and then from here, you're going to want to click on New Role. After clicking on New Role, you want to use a formula to determine which cells to format, and you want to say where equals A2 equals numeric, for example. And here you want to adjust the formatting to where whenever the dropdown says numeric, then the formatting that you want will apply. So for example, by numeric, I want to have a number formatting with 2 decimal places. Click OK. Then click OK. So now that numeric is applied, everything has a number formatting, but when it is not numeric, the original formatting is present. Now I want to have a gray highlight, for example. To do this, I can again highlight the range of cells that I want to apply the conditional formatting to. Go to conditional formatting, new role, same sort of thing. Use a formula to apply the conditional formatting and do where equals A2 equals gray highlight. And then format. In this example, I just want to have a light gray highlight in the cell so I can have the fill be a light gray highlight, for example. Click OK and click OK. Now when gray highlight is selected, the cells have a gray highlight on them. The last option is a thick border. So let's just say whenever this option is selected, I want to have a thick border around the cells. To do this, I can take the same approach, highlight the cells that I want the formatting to be applied to, and then I can go to conditional formatting, new rule, and then I can use a formula to determine when this formatting is applied and do equals A2 equals thick border. And whenever thick border is applied, I want to have a border, an outline that is thick. So I can go adjusting lines right here to select the thicker option and maybe have an orange color, for example, for the border. Just as an example for illustrative purposes, and click OK and click OK. And now I have cells with a orange border. And as you can see, as I toggle through these dropdowns, gray highlight, numeric, and thick border, the formatting will change as I cycle through the dropdown options. Now, obviously, this is not the formatting that you will probably want for your cells, but note that by using the approach of conditional formatting and the formula approach, you can use a dropdown to adjust your formatting, and you can adjust things such as the border, the font, the numeric formatting, as well as the fill. So whenever you change the dropdown, your formatting will change accordingly. That's it. I hope you found this to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.